Hola. Today we're going to talk about the imperfect of ser, ir, and ver. This is going to be a really short video because this is really simple. There are only three irregular verbs in the imperfect tense. That's it, just three. So the only three irregular verbs in the imperfect tense are ser, to be, ir, to go, and ver, to see. Of course, the good news is there's only three. The bad news is you have to memorize them. They do follow a pattern, though. When you take a look at them, you'll notice ser is era, eras, era, éramos, erais, eran. And so we see that it kind of follows that pattern of starting out ERA for all of its tenses. Same thing happens with ir. We get iba, ibas, iba, ibamos, ibais, and iban. And veía, veías, veía, veíamos, veíais, and veían. And so you can see it's following that same pattern where we sort of have a stem and then we just add the endings to them. And that's really all there is to it. They follow the same rules as the imperfect tense in the sense that we use them for repeated or ongoing actions. And other than that, it's just really a matter of memorizing what they are. It's honestly that simple. So one more thing to point out is you'll notice that in the nosotros form, éramos gets an accent, íbamos gets an accent. Veía, on the other hand, had an accent in every form, so we don't have to try and remember to add the accent there. But in the nosotros form for ser and ir, we're going to need to add an accent because the number of syllables makes this accent not happen in a normal place that it would happen. So don't forget that. A couple of really quick examples. So, de niño yo era obediente, as a child. So this is something that we have an indefinite amount of time. It was in the past, and therefore we're going to need to use the imperfect era. Mi familia iba a la playa todos los días. So we see todos los días, telling us that it happened on a regular or repeated basis. So we need to use ir in the imperfect. So this one we get to see iba a la playa. And then finally, mis hermanos y yo veíamos dibujos animados los sábados por la mañana. So my brothers and sisters and I watched cartoons Saturday mornings. Mornings, plural, so that tells us this is a repeated thing. So we needed the imperfect again in this case, then watch becomes veíamos, so in the imperfect. And it's really that simple. Once you've got the different forms memorized, the irregular verbs in the imperfect are super easy. Have a good day.